In this video, we will teach you how to use the product importer and by mapping columns from your product sheet from Excel or Google Sheets into the Traede importer. So first of all, you should have your import sheet ready for import. So it looks like this. You can see earlier videos on how to build your product sheet. So this video will only focus on importing of the products. What you do in Traede is that you will go into your top column and choose products and find the one called import products. In here you will then take your CSV file, your created product import sheet, and you will take that import sheet and drag into here. Be aware that when you put in the data sheet into the box here, it won't tell you that it's uploaded. So when you come back to the area or the field that looks like this, you're ready to click next. It's important that you only use CSV file and not Excel formatted file. So in here, we'll start by click this off. So you have the column titles to map from. And then if it's new products, you will say only create. And then you will actually just start the mapping. So here we will say product name. Be aware that due to Traede being able to use product locals, so various languages in some of the product informations, you might see, as you do here with product name, that you have the opportunity to choose between different product locals. So this is only available if you have created such, but if you haven't, then always just choose default. Then you will just start mapping here. As you can see here, top categories have the same. Subcategories has the same with the default and the product locals. And then we come to one of the special ones. So here we'll have a thing we call attributes. So that could be color, size, material, stuff like that, that are created to decide the variance of a particular product. As you can see here, we get the same as we did with the top career product name, but down here it is actually to choose which attribute should it be linked up to. So as this, having already created products on this account, we have some preset things that we can choose from. So here we have color and size. But if you import for the first time on a brand new Traede account, there won't be anything stated in these drop downs. What you can do then is that you can just name them after what you have in your column title. So you could just write, let's say, and then create the option. So if blank, just create the name of the attribute that you would like it to be. Description, we have some cost prices. If you want to import cost prices, make sure that you have a supplier and a supplier number and a supplier currency on your in your product import sheet as well. Otherwise, that won't work. Sales price is your wholesale price. Reg is your recommended retail price. Here we have some offer price as well. Offer price for B2C. And that then just goes for different products that you, for different currencies that you have. Right? If you use Kali, just choose this, and then make sure that there are no spaces between the Kali sizes that you are choosing. If you want to decide if it's only able to be ordered in Kali, you can attach this as well, and then it's just a yes/no setup. Weight can be imported as well. If you do that, you need to have some both a If it's not gram that you want it in, then you need to have a column as well that is called weight type that you can then choose. Looks like this. Alright, so then you need to have both of them. Otherwise, Traede will just by default import the information as gram. You have your custom field as tariff code and country of origin. Here we get the supplier number, supplier name, and supplier currency. You can also in the import decide if a product should be available on B2C if you have connected WooCommerce or Shopify. When you're ready and have mapped up all the columns, then you can just go up here and say ignore first row so we don't import the column titles, and then you just click submit. And there you go. This is how you easily map up your product import sheet with the Traede product import.